BMW, a name that sparks admiration, debate, and sometimes a bit of misinformation. Whether you're a die-hard fan or a skeptic, you've probably heard a few of these myths. Today, we're setting the record straight. Here are 5 of the most common myths about BMWs. Debunked. Myth number 1. BMWs are unreliable. Let's start with the big one. BMWs are unreliable. Yes, maintenance costs can be higher than average, but that doesn't make them unreliable. BMWs are engineered with precision, and like any high-performance machine, they demand proper upkeep. Neglect oil changes, use low-quality parts, or skip service intervals, and yes, they'll let you know. But owners who maintain their cars as recommended often enjoy hundreds of thousands of trouble-free miles. Myth number 2. BMWs are just status symbols. Here's another classic. BMWs are all about showing off. Sure, some drivers love the badge, but the brand's roots go deeper. BMW began as an aircraft engine manufacturer and evolved into one of the most respected makers of drivers' cars. From the legendary E30 M3 to the precision-balanced E46 chassis, BMWs are celebrated for how they drive, not just how they look. Myth number 3. All BMW drivers are jerks. We've all seen the memes. BMW drivers skipping turn signals, cutting lanes. The stereotype is everywhere. But bad driving isn't a BMW feature. It's a people problem. Every car brand has its share of reckless drivers. The BMW badge just makes them more noticeable. Blame the driver, not the machine. Myth number 4. BMWs are too expensive to own. While new BMWs can carry a premium price, used models offer serious value. A well-maintained 10-year-old BMW can cost less than a new economy car and deliver a vastly superior driving experience. Yes, maintenance can be pricey if you're always at the dealership, but many DIY enthusiasts or independent shops can keep costs under control. Myth number 5. BMWs are only for enthusiasts. Not true. While BMWs are beloved by gearheads, they also build daily drivers, hybrids, and SUVs for the average commuter. Models like the 3 Series Touring or the X1 offer comfort, tech, and efficiency without requiring track days or car meets. BMW has evolved. There's a model for nearly every lifestyle. Quick recap. Let's quickly recap. BMWs aren't unreliable. They're just high maintenance if neglected. They're more than status symbols. They're engineering marvels. The driver stereotype? Not fair. Ownership doesn't have to break the bank. And no, you don't have to be a car nerd to enjoy one. Got another BMW myth you've heard? Drop it in the comments. And if you enjoyed this myth-busting ride, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. And remember, whether you drive a Beamer or just admire them, knowledge beats rumors every time.